You can now create WooCommerce free shipping campaigns for your e-commerce store with WowRevenue. The newest campaign called free shipping is finally here. I'll show you how to create one. Creating a new free shipping campaign is super simple. Of course, you need the WowRevenue plugin for this to work. Then, you need to go to Campaigns, click on Create Campaign, and search for free shipping. Then, click on Create the campaign. And your campaign is ready to be created and published. The first thing you need to do is set a name for the campaign, just as I did here. You can also copy and paste the shortcode and use the campaign elsewhere on your website. The very first thing you need to do is set the pages, where you want to show the campaign. You can add pages using the plus icon. Also, you can enable or disable the page status. There are two types of display modes here, in-page and drawer. There are some difference to their appearances. Also, you can set them to be at different positions based on their types. The in-page campaign and the free shipping drawer have different position settings. The documentation will certainly help you here. For this example, I'll show the WooCommerce free shipping bar on the product and the cart page. In the product page, I'll show it as a drawer. On the cart page, I will show it as an in-page campaign. I'll change the settings accordingly. You can enable the progress bar and display confetti for both the in-page and the drawer type free shipping campaigns. You can also enable a close button. It's only for the in-page campaign though. Now you set the goal parameters for the campaign. As an example here, I've set the spending goal threshold to 1,000. The basis of the goal will be on the cart total, as you can see here. I'll make slight changes to the promo message. You can certainly change them entirely. Make sure to use curly braces to display the remaining amount on the promo and the pre-reward messages. Finally, add a custom success message. You can also enable a CTA button and add a link to it if you like. If you want to upsell products using the free shipping bar, you can do that as well. Currently, you need to choose these items manually. The automatic suggester will be coming soon. You can add upsell products and set custom discount amounts for upselling these items. You can also add upsell products using the plus icon. You can change the design appearance of the WooCommerce free shipping bar completely. Let me show you how easy it is. Finally, you can schedule the free shipping bar if you wish. You can choose a start date and an end date and schedule it. Once you're happy with these changes, you can simply publish the campaign. Here's the WooCommerce free shipping progress bar in action. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and sound off in the comments below.